Lesson 2, my body. Lesson 2, my body. Head. My head. Hands. My hands. Tummy. My tummy. Feet. My feet. Arms. Fingers. Legs. Toes. Listen. Find and circle. Arms. Tummy. Feet. Head. Toes. Fingers. Hands. Legs. Write and match. Legs. Toes. Tummy. Arms. Head. Hands. Fingers. Feet. Listen and say. Look. My eyes. Look. My nose. Look. My mouth. Word bank. Arms. Eyes. Feet. Fingers. Hands. Head. Legs. Mouth. Nose. Toes. Tummy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Listen, point and say. A, ant, apple. B, banana, bear. C, cat, coconut.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Touch your head just like me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands just like me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shake your arms just like me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stamp your feet just like me.
Write and match. My eyes. My head. My nose. My mouth. My arms. My tummy. My fingers. My hands. My legs. My toes.
Look, my head.
Your head?
Yes, my head. My head. Look, my hands.
Your hands?
Yes, my hands. My hands. Look, my tummy.
Your tummy?
Yes, my tummy. My tummy. Look, my feet.
Your feet?
Yes, my feet. My feet. I'm dancing.
My head, my hands, my tummy, my feet, I'm dancing. My head, my hands, my tummy, my feet, I'm dancing.
Thank you for learning with us. It's time to stop. See you next time with Lesson 3, My Family.